them to achieve this delicious meal, Afang Soup. This is all you need to get a real taste of Afang Soup. This is Afang. If you go to the market, you get Afang leaf. You can get the sliced one already. Then you give it to where they used to grind. They will just help you grind it, you know. So after that, this is my snail. I love snail so much. I really like preparing Afang soup with snail. And this is crayfish, well grounded crayfish, and pepper. This is called Cameroon pepper, dry pepper. And this is periwinkle. I believe you all know periwinkle. And another thing here you need for Afang soup is stockfish. Stockfish is here, and fish, well washed fish and stockfish. And also another type of periwinkle, you know, the other one is the one they've already removed. I really love this periwinkle. It's blood tonic. This is water leaf. I'm gonna be washing my water leaf at the moment. And when you finish washing it, you slice it. Wash it like 3 times. To prepare Afang, all you need is an empty pot. And now I'll be taking a little water, a little quantity of water. So I can use it and steam my fish, stockfish, and so on. I think that's enough. I don't really need much. This is okay. Okay. Now what I'll be adding now inside the water is stockfish. You can see this is stockfish and fish. Then I'll be adding my salt and Maggi and also pepper into it and steam it for a while. After this, you can now add salt, Maggi and pepper into it and steam it for a while. Add a little salt to your taste. And this is periwinkle. Add it straight and steam it together. Remove the spoon and cover it. Then steam it for some time. Next thing you're gonna be adding in here is periwinkle. You see my periwinkle? Then some minutes later, I'm gonna add my snail. Then use your spoon and stir it. Oh no, I think it's time for me to add water leaf. You can see my water is very small inside the pot. It's a very quantity of water. You know, water leaf itself has a lot of water, so you don't have to add water to it for now. Just put your water leaf, pour it inside. When you pour it inside, you can use a spoon and spread it, and then cover it. Allow it to steam for some time so that you know whether to add water or not. I want to add is palm oil. As you can see, I'm shaking it for it to mix very well. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Just put it. I think that's okay. Don't put your spoon yet. Kneading next. I think it's now time for me to turn it. Stir it very well. This soup is as simple as ABC. Easy to prepare. If the water is not enough, you can add more water to it, but Afang soup is not supposed to be watery. It's always nice when it's thick. So I'll just add a little water to it. I think that's enough. And here we go. Finally, our Afang soup is ready. That's the very last thing you're gonna put in the pot. Okay, you just turn it. Turn it. Stir it very well for it to mix. Keep stirring it for it to mix. And that's all. Let me turn off my gas. Okay, that's okay. I think I'm done. Okay. Alright, thank you very much everyone for watching this video. I just wanted to do something different from what I've been doing. I hope you liked this video. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.